This may come as a little bit of a surprise, but if you've been sharing your YouTube video links or your channel link with your friends, with your family, in Facebook groups, or even with your email list, then chances are you're hurting your channel. And maybe you've even started to notice your views going down. And you're probably thinking to yourself, well, this is what all the gurus say. I thought this is what I was supposed to do, right? Give my channel a little boost, a little kick in the butt. The problem is your friends, your family, Facebook groups, and in a lot of cases, even people on your email list, they're not your ideal audience. And if you're sitting there going, oh man, don't worry. I was there. I used to do the same thing, because that's what I thought you were supposed to do. That's what the gurus said. They said, share your link with as many people as possible. Show the algorithm that this video is awesome and you're going to get tons of views. Well, times have changed, my friends. So I'm going to share with you 10 reasons why you should not share your YouTube channel with just everybody. And I'm also going to share with you not only the why, which will help you make smarter decisions, but I'm also going to share with you the risks involved with doing this. So if you're doing any of these 10, stop right now and stick around for the last one, because this is probably the most crucial to your growth on YouTube, but it will also help you uncover winning video titles. So stick around for that. Number one is YouTube's browse and suggested features work better without external interference. YouTube uses engagement metrics. So they're measuring the click-through rate on your thumbnail. They're measuring the watch time. They're doing all of this to decide whether your video should appear on users' homepages or in suggested videos. The problem with this is sharing your video with people outside your niche can confuse the algorithm and limit its ability to recommend your content to the right audience. So what I was talking about in the beginning of this video, they get lost, they get confused. So stop sharing it with random people. Number two, you want to let the YouTube AI do its thing. You want to let it identify your ideal viewers. If you haven't guessed by now, YouTube's algorithm, its AI, is extremely sophisticated at analyzing users' behavior to match your videos with the right viewers. YouTube knows what your video is about before it even is published. So when you upload all that data to YouTube, it is scrambling and reading everything. It already knows what your video is about. Also, what you put in the title, it knows what it's about. So it's already thinking and maneuvering and engaging about where your video should be shown. So when you drive the wrong people to your videos, AI is going to misidentify your target audience, which is then going to reduce your reach. Number three, this is a big one. Your video title should attract organic clicks. If you have a well-crafted title that evokes curiosity and is optimized for search, it will naturally draw clicks from people searching for your topic. So when you rely on people to simply click, they're not necessarily worried about your title. But when you have the right title in the search, you're going to get the right people clicking on your videos. So if you're somebody who's struggled with titles, you don't know what to write, you don't know what to say, and you're having trouble coming up with ideas, then grab my 10 tips to writing engaging YouTube titles. I'll put the link below. It's free. You can grab it today, but it comes with examples, fill in the blanks. So it's a great way for you to come up with title ideas. Number four, this is a big one. You want to avoid diluting the power of browse traffic. YouTube's browse feature promotes videos to users who are most likely to engage based on past behavior. So again, based on their search history, based on what they've been watching previously, that's how YouTube is going to show them your videos. So it's crucial that you are getting that video in front of the right people so that YouTube can push it to the browse feature and more people can see it. You can be listed under suggested videos as well, which is another big driver for YouTube views. So when you're sending random clicks and viewers to YouTube off of social media, off of Facebook and Instagram, wherever it is, you're going to reduce the appeal to YouTube's browsing audience. Number 5, social media traffic can be really low quality. Traffic from Facebook, from Instagram, often leads to shorter watch times, which means YouTube is not going to rank your video higher because YouTube is all about watch time. And when you have people who are typically scrolling on Instagram Reels and TikTok, they're used to that quick, short form content. So if you're doing Instagram content and you're trying to send people to YouTube, you might be sending the wrong audience. The last thing you want is poor watch time on your videos, because now you're sending a signal to YouTube that, hey, this video isn't that good, it's not that engaging, therefore we're not going to show it to many people. Number 6, sending out just a massive e-blast can really hurt your engagement. Here's why. While email marketing is super powerful, and don't get me wrong, you need to keep building your list, my recommendation is if you have a list, see if you can start tagging individuals based on their interest, okay? Because if you make a video about a particular topic, you may not want to send it to your entire list, but maybe there's a percentage of your list that is interested in that particular topic. And that would be the case where it's okay to send those tagged that particular video. Does that make sense? You don't want to send it to 100,000 people on your email list, okay? You want to send it to a specific group of people on your email list who have shown an interest in that particular topic. And in that case, it could help boost your video views, assuming that those people are searching for that type of content on YouTube. Number 7, you want to let your video rank organically in search results. And here's why. A well-optimized video with a strong title, good description, good tags will naturally appear in YouTube and Google search results. So you're getting a double whammy. If your video performs well on YouTube, you might also see it perform well in Google search results. Number 8, another big one when it comes to sharing your links on social media is that sharing a YouTube link does not guarantee engagement. People on social media might click out of curiosity, but they're not going to watch long enough to positively impact YouTube's analytics. So this is going to lead to low audience retention, signaling to YouTube that your video isn't worth recommending. Number 9, YouTube might think that your video is clickbait. So hear me out for a second. If you share a link with your audience, and they click because they want to do you a favor, they go to that video and they only watch it for 5-10 seconds and they go off. And then that's repeated several times over in a short period of time. Well, that is going to send a signal to YouTube that, hey, what's on this thumbnail is not what's going on in this video, because people are clicking. So the click-through rate might be really high in the beginning. So YouTube's going to show it and be like, wow, this is hot. But people aren't watching the video. So it's sending the wrong signal to YouTube. So eventually you're going to see that click-through rate go down and you're going to see those views go down because you're sending the wrong signal to YouTube. Number 10, you want to have honest feedback and honest engagement from your audience. If random people are commenting on your videos, it doesn't do you any good. Organic viewers are more likely to engage, they're more likely to comment, and they're more likely to subscribe if your video resonates with them. If you learn how to ask your subscribers or your soon-to-be subscribers the right questions, you can start building some serious dialogue within the comment section. It takes on a social platform of its own, and that's where you can draw inspiration for your next videos. Your audience is telling you what they want to see, what they want to learn. So take advantage, make sure you're jumping in the comment section as soon as possible. You're answering those questions. You're actually helping them within the comments. You're answering questions, but you're also asking questions. If you're somebody who's new to YouTube, or maybe you already have a channel and you're struggling to get things off the ground, you're struggling to get views, make sure you check out my video here where I show you everything you need to know to get your YouTube channel up and running today. I cover everything from starting your channel and how to maximize views. Thank you so much for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.